Hey, hello friends, this is XS125 and this is the disc brake model, and you can see the design. It is really good, nice, sharp blue color, and you get this in three variants. One is disc brake, this is the disc brake variant, and another is drum brake, and the third one is special edition. And you can see there are five colors available in the drum brake and disc brake model, and one color in the special edition, that is white, and you can see the sharp blue color of this. So without any further ado, let's start our video.
And friends, here are some specifications related to engine, and you can read it, but these are all normal. And here are some specifications related to dimension and weight. And the weight of the scooty is really light when we compare with other scooties, and the seat is really comfortable and big. And over here you get the both brakes, and tire sizes 12 in front and 10 at back, both are tubeless. And battery is also maintenance free, and headlight is permanently on as it is a BS4 model.
Hello friends, now this is the ignition over here, and using this key you can on, off and lock the handle also. And the best part of this is you can open the scooty through this. This feature is only available in the XS models. The previous 2014 model also had the same feature, but this is a brand new feature over here. Here is a cute push button through which we can close the shutter, and you can open the shutter through the key only like other models. And this is really nice because you don't have to put that small pushy button. And now let's switch on the scooty and go to our over here. This is the digital meter, and you get to know about the fuel change also, and fuel level and the kilometers drawn. And this is the total kilometer, and over here it is trip A. You can reset the trips by holding this, and this is the trip B. We are resetting it, and just hold this button. Through this button you can operate this digital meter also. And after that, you see over here this small hook. It is a really nice hook and comes handy at times. And over here you get this small helmet hook, and this is really nice. You can side after the usage. And over here, this is the premium side. Over here you get this mobile charger dock, and this dock is not pre-installed. It is a part of our accessory. And over here you get this normal chalk, and over here the phone. While you keep charge your phone, you can keep your phone over here. And over here you get this normal horn which is sharp, and over here you get this indicator, and over the disc you get this only one indicator. If you do left also right also, it is one of the same thing. And over here you get this light side changer, and it is these mirrors are also nice, pretty, yeah. And after that you get to see these stylish, and I think it is stylish because it has some different looks. And at the side you get this stand. This stand is pre-installed. It is not the part of an accessory like Activas and other scooties. The stand is a part of accessory in them, but not in this. Here it is the pretty, and it is small but it is comfortable. And after that, over here you get this manual starter, and you can't start the scooty while it is on side stand. You have to keep the scooty on the double stand for start using the manual. And after that, then you get this engine. This has to be opened by the service. and over here you get this sharp tail light, and the company told me that it is sharp at night and daytime also. And over here you get this exhauster, and it over here it is plated by chrome, and same this is the Axis logo, which is looking really nice. And over here can you read Suzuki Eco Performance. Yeah, this scooty is the best out of Suzuki, and this is the same over here. And see, our scooty is so nice, and in the front, as you can see, these are both tubeless tires, and it has disc brake also. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please comment in the section below if you have more queries. Now let's start our scooty. It is the BS4 model, and as you can see, the headlight is always on because of the government order. And that's it, friends. I'll soon upload another video regarding the accessories and all its information. Thank you.